Welcome to this video on drafting on Lexis Plus with Protégé. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use the draft functionality to quickly create well-structured, tailored legal content, helping you move from instruction to a polished first draft in minutes. From the Lexis Plus with Protégé homepage, you can access draft directly from the main prompt box. You can draft letters, emails, memos, briefing notes, legal arguments and precedents and clauses. Simply enter a clear instruction describing what you'd like to create. Lexis Plus with Protégé generates a structured draft in seconds, drawing on trusted Lexis Plus legal content that you can refer to on the left-hand side of the screen. Your previous conversations appear on the far left, and the document that you've asked Lexis Plus with Protégé to create appears on the right. You can refine the output by inputting follow-up prompts into the prompt box or by selecting a jurisdiction to apply. You also have the option of highlighting a section of the document. Redraft tools will then pop up. Click on the arrow and it will give you the different options to redraft the section of the document that you have highlighted. This allows you to make amendments, helping to quickly evolve your draft to suit your needs. Once you're happy with the document, you can copy or download using the icons in the top right-hand corner. You'll also notice workflows in the navigation menu over on the far left-hand side of the screen. Workflows bring new functionality to Lexis Plus with Protégé. They are guided step-by-step tools designed to walk you through specific legal tasks. Drafting Lexis Plus with Protégé helps you create high-quality legal content faster, so you can focus on adding value where it matters most. Explore Draft today and see how it fits into your work.